So I just woke up and I'm getting ready to start my day, and I noticed that my skin is looking extra radiant this morning. So I've been incorporating this weekly DIY mask into my skincare routine, and if you're interested to see how I achieve this natural glow, please keep on watching for my DIY charcoal clay mask. For this DIY, you will need activated charcoal, bentonite clay, and apple cider vinegar. And I'll link in the description box where you can find some of these items. So start out by taking out the contents of 1 capsule of activated charcoal, and to that add equal parts of bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. And then mix well until fully combined. So this is my favorite part because the apple cider vinegar activates the other ingredients and it causes this super cool effect. Okay, so now take the mixture and apply it to a cleansed face. Focus a little bit more product on some of the troubled areas, but just don't apply too much because then it will take forever to dry. And just a heads up, I have combination oily skin, so this mask is great at removing toxins, but it could be harsh for some people. So if you have sensitive skin, I definitely recommend doing a test on a small area first. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to 7 days, and this works great as an on-the-spot blemish treatment. Once your mask is dried, you're ready to rinse. I usually leave mine on for about 25 minutes. So bentonite clay and activated charcoal help shrink pores and refine the skin by removing toxins and impurities. And the apple cider vinegar in this mask help remove dead skin cells, revealing a healthy glow. So once you've washed away all the mask, you want to gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. My skin is feeling so refreshed. So now I'm adding castor oil to my brows, which is helping them grow fuller, and then to my lashes, which is helping them grow longer and thicker. So castor oil has been my go-to, holy grail, can't live without product for months. And if you haven't already, check out my castor oil hair routine. I'll put the link to the video in the description box. Now that my skin is nice and clean, I'm adding some avocado oil. This is gonna hydrate my skin for a natural glow. This weekly addition to my skincare routine has improved my skin's radiance and elasticity. And the best part is there's no harmful preservatives or fillers, and it's way cheaper than some of the popular products out there.
DIY, do it yourself. You don't have to pay $40 for Glam Glow.
I really hope this DIY clay mask helps. If you love this video, please thumbs up. And as always, if you love Lulu, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the love. Thanks for watching.